Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujit here from Benzene. A lot of people have asked me as to how to send email notifications to their team every day or on a regular basis on the remaining work or pending open issues. So in this video today, we're going to talk about the same and let's see how to do that. Of course, you get an email notification as and when a create issue is created against your name or if you're watching an issue. But there are a lot of teams which want an email notification at the start of the day to see all the remaining work pending and also to see all open issues assigned to them. So there's a simple hack or simple way in Jira to get a notification on remaining work or remaining work assigned to you on a regular basis. And let's see how it's done. Now, the first step in sending a notification is to create a filter. What is that notification or what's the list of issues which you want to send to your team every day or on a regular basis? Is it open issues or is it work remaining or is it all the bugs assigned to some teams? So based on the data you want to send in the notification, the first step is to create a filter. In this example, I have already created a filter which talks about all the pending work items. That is, all the issues which are still in to-do state. So once you've created a filter and you've navigated to that filter detail page, there's an option next to the filter name called as details. And once you click on it, you will get a pop-up. In that pop-up, there's a subscription option. Click on that new subscription and you will get a pop-up as shown here. Now, there are a lot of aspects when you subscribe to a filter. First one is the recipient. So this gives a lot of options. You can send a notification every day to a group of people or to a project team or to yourself individually. So select the person or select the group of people whom you want to send the notification first. The second one is the schedule. Do you want a daily report in the morning or do you want reports on a specific day of a week or every month? So these are the options which you have here. I'm going to select daily and what time of the day do you want the email notification to go? Usually the teams would want to see the notification and the list of remaining work early in the morning before they start the work. You can also select the time interval in which the notification is sent. For example, if you want notification every day, once per day, or if you want twice in a day, or every 2 hours you want this notification to go, the next thing for us to do is select the interval. I'm going to select once per day. The last thing is to select the time at which you want to trigger the notification. I'm going to select 6 a.m. in the morning. And the moment you click on subscribe, the email notification with all the work you filtered will be triggered at the selected time of the day and based on your criteria to all the recipients you've selected. So this is a simple and straightforward trick for you to trigger an email notification based on the filtered work to your recipients. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching this.